Okay, welcome everyone. I see people are entering in. It is Guiver speaking here. Excited. Let me know who's excited to be here. And I see Diana is here all the way from Midrand. Okay, Gauteng is here. Pretoria, Joanita. Tell everyone, welcome to BSC Ignite. We're gonna quickly get everything ready. Just drop us in the chat box where you're from, and I'm gonna start sharing with you now. James says he's excited. Yes, it's all about energy. It's all about attitude, right? Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, let's do this. I'm just gonna get my screen ready for all of you. Okay, I just want to check say sound. Okay, there's more people. A Zoom person is joining. Okay. Please, Sasta, if you guys can check, let me know if there's anything, if everything is at least showing. Just want to make sure all my chat box is closed and that nothing is in the way of our presentation. Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Quibus with a C, Visser Viking. Welcome back to tonight's webinar where we're going to talk a little bit about what are we launching and what's the opportunity for you. And that's why you are here, right? So let me know in the chat box, why are you here tonight? So I just want to know if we are aligned and we are on the same path. You know, you can't be here to order KFC if that is because that's not why we are here. So if you are here to order KFC, boy, you're in the wrong place. However, what are you here for? Let me know in the chat box. I want us to be participating. I want you to be ready to ask questions and make sure that we are on the same direction. So please let me know in the chat box why you are here. Giving you a second or two to respond. I'm waiting. Who's here? What are you here for? Life is a journey. We cannot take it alone. Helping others, helping ourselves. Okay, so Diana is here to learn, ready to grow, ready to make a change, ready for financial freedom. Definitely. Well, let's teach each other. Let's be on this path of what is Ignite Agency. So it's all about how can we scale without losing our human touch. So what the system is about, it's about simplicity, right? It's a process that is streamlined and basically effortless in helping businesses to scale. And I'm going to tell you all about it. We also important for us is transparency. It's open communication and clear insights. Communications is key for us. I see James says looking for new opportunities to create wealth. Yes. So that's why it's transparent. Be open. Why are you here? And then the number one value for us is community. We want to build strong, lasting relationships. Now, if you want to know what simplicity, transparency, and community is, this is our values. This is the values of BSC Ignite. Okay, so I'm excited to share with you the most valuable thing you have is time, right? And interesting is time is the one thing we can't buy. Time is the one thing we can't extend. We all have exactly 24 hours a day. And now the same in businesses. What is the one thing that a startup or businesses that are starting that is taken away from the fastest from them? It is their time, right? Most business owners, when you go ask him, so what are you doing? It's if I just only had enough time to get to where I wanted to be and to do the things that I need to do, me included, right? Now, what is the future of digital agency? It's called automation. Now, businesses everywhere needs automation. So what is automations? Automations is when you create a system and the system, you press play and it keeps running. You just have to constantly now and then check and modify it, but it runs basically without you. It's by creating basically extra employees, task and process and systems that runs without you constantly having to do it manually. CRM systems is all about customer relationship, right? The one thing about today's time, even in AI, is the human advantage, the human touch, right? So creating a CR system where there's constantly interaction with your customers and AI marketing tools, because guess what? We're in the era of AI. And then the number one thing that all businesses needs is lead generation. So how to generate leads, manage leads, and look after your leads. Most companies don't know even how to implement it, because why? They still operate the way they think it should be, or with the how it was done 20 years or ago. Now, most businesses currently struggle with growth. Businesses' problems they face is that there's no clear lead generation system, marketing tools that don't integrate, too many disconnected platforms, too many follow-ups that is not automated, that you have to, it's like me, I've list on off the list until I found the system. Is creating too many lists. You lose opportunities and poor client management. Companies that use these tools to help with them usually have 5 to 10 tools, if not more, when they should just have one platform. And that's why we're sharing this with you today. The one thing that I want to tell you is that there's a hidden cost. Now, me, Cobus Visser, I have multiple companies. So one of my companies is for example, Cobus Visser International, right? I remember when I started, I had an email marketing. So at that time, there was something called MailChimp. So I had MailChimp, I had ClickFunnels at that time. Then I had bulk SMS. I have to send SMSs, right? Now, if you just count it up, already, if we quickly look here, it's up $1,000 upwards. That's today's exchange rate. That's about 18,000 Rand a month. It was just not possible consistently. The one system I at one point used as well was Active Campaign. That's about 5K a month, right? So there's a lot of hidden costs that sometimes you don't realize. As people say, use this tool, but when you start using it and you start stacking all the tools, because they can't do everything, each tool does one thing. And when you start adding it up, it gets expensive monthly to run your business, right? Now, this is where BSC Ignite come in. I was sitting one day with my team, and I will introduce them soon with you, Sasta and Bruce, that's also on the call, but I will introduce you. We were sitting down and we constantly had so many login details. And like, Cobus, give me this login. Cobus, give me this login. And we had to log in and to MailChimp, Active Campaign, bulk SMS. You call the systems, right? And it just got frustrated until we one day sit down and said, we need simplicity. We need simple system that can do everything for us. Take all this chaos that's around us and create one place where we can run our business and do everything. A one powerful command center. And this is where BSC Ignite comes from. It was to ignite. We were ignited to find a solution. And as we came together, we created what we shared, our foundation of transparency, simplicity, and community. That is our core values that we built our business on. So before we started, we realized, what is it? We want to build community, and that's the CRM. We want something simplicity, not too many systems, there's one system. And we want transparency, no hidden cost, no extra cost. We want one platform to pay everything. Now, when we started looking into this journey, we realized the massive opportunity, the software revolution, the SaaS revolution, as they would call it. Now, just to give you an example, the CRM system alone, market with, is over 80 billion around the world. Marketing automation adoption is growing rapidly. Everyone is using it. You just think about FlySafair. I was just booked on a plane ticket for tomorrow. WhatsApps are coming through, emails are coming through. I promise you, it's not someone there sitting and sending messages to everyone. It is automation that kicks in automatically. So business is moving fast towards this. Companies are moving away from agencies that just runs ads and social media ads. They want systems that generate predictable growth. And this is why we love this system. It's a universal one system, one box, right? One place for conversations, text messages, SMSs, WhatsApps, Facebook, social media, Google Business. Everything your business needs to grow in one platform. Now, I'm sharing with all of this to you because you probably think about friends that have businesses that you can introduce this software with. And so what I'm going through is just to tell you what the software entails, so that whenever you make the introduction, you can tell them, do you want one system that can really one place that runs your whole business? Next is the speed to lead. 60% of leads go cold because of slow follow-up. And now with one system, you can fix this. You can tell clients there's automatically a missed call, text back, missed a call, automatically gets a text back, a text. Instant AI booking system where AI does the booking for you, appointments on your calendar 24/7 while you sleep. So speed is very important, especially in today's times. Then the return of investment, right, is you get more time, right? One is, if you think about lead in the traditional way, it says 30 minutes to 4 hours study show, but I can promise you there's even clients out there that takes 2 days. We recently had a client, I'm not going to mention their names, but sometimes it takes them 3 weeks to follow up on quotes they've given out, right? Now, BSC will help and automate that in 2 minutes. Software cost, you can look at different costs depending on how you stack it, can be anywhere from 800 plus. We give one low fat fee. Data flow, a lot of manual exports and chaos where we have a fully integrated CRM, no more Excels and spreadsheets, too many to count. Management, 5 to 10 separate logins where now you have one login with everything in the dashboard. But what makes us different from all of the others that sell similar products? One is we have a done-for-you setup where we do it for you, right? Where we train you and we walk the path with you. And then next one is community support. We have 24/7 support and weekly training calls. You are always have a partner in your corner called BSC Ignite, ready to ignite those businesses and the journey for your clients. Now, let me introduce you to the team. Before I get to the others, right, you will notice there's a color scheme around us. Now, I am the one with the yellow. Kobus Visser, sales, leads, and business strategist. I'm, for now, the face of the business. I'm the salesperson. Why? Because the yellow, if you don't know, there's something called the disc, is the sun sign. We call them sunshine yellow. They're the people person. They want to speak. You make my day if I can be in front of people like now. I might not see all of your faces, but I have an opportunity to talk. So let me ask you, Sasta, to open her mic quickly, just to say hello. Sasta is red. She is the dominant one. She's the driven one. Results. Man, she's the executor, right? If you want things done, you talk to Sasta. Sasta, quickly introduce yourself to everyone.
Hey everyone, for don't know me, I see some familiar faces and some unfamiliar names in the chat. It's wonderful to have you here. My name is Sasta. I am the Customer Success Manager, and I help you develop your business and develop your affiliate portal to make sure that you have the right information and you can make some money.
That is Sasta. Yes, she's our customer success lady. Man, she's going to walk the path and she will make sure that you level up. Now, the next one on our team is Green. He's steady. He's a steady, green, loving, caring. He's our foundation, you know, so he brings the whole team together. He's the one that makes sure the tech works, the media works, none other than Mr. Bruce Moyo. Bruce?
Good. Hello, everyone. My name is Bruce. As Kobus has graciously said all the good things about me. As you can see, my specialty is tech. And if you know anything about tech people, we don't talk a lot. We are always in shorts and hoodies. So you won't see much of my face, but should you have any technical problems, I'll be your guy.
And that is Bruce. Now, you wonder where BSC comes from. Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you, Bruce, B for B. B for the South Foundation and Strength. Then S for Sasta and C for Kobus. We are your team that's going to help you on this journey to help you to make more money. But in the meantime, while you make more money, we grow our business and we can make a difference and impact the community and grow our business, basically. So quickly, to a nutshell, what do we want you to look out for? A lot of people out there in their businesses, when you sell to them, what you want to have your ears open to. Most of them use WhatsApp, right? Or Telegram. If they want to build an automation system that runs WhatsApp and Telegram without them, that is automated, you're looking at about $129 per month. If you want to run, if we think about Hootsuite, where people want to post their Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, a place where they run their whole social media on one dashboard, for example, Hootsuite, that is about $97 a month to do that. Then you get surveys, survey forms and forms like Google Forms. You want to use this system. A paid one is about $29 a month. Then you have booking appointments. I used to pay currently for my appointments, $29 a month. You want to do a website builder. Think about Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, right? I used to use WordPress, and then there was a plugin that I had to get. Think about it, another $29 a month. Then you want unlimited sales funnels. You think about ClickFunnels, where you can build multiple sales pages and funnels to sell products by. The next, any workflow automations like ActiveCampaign, for example, another $169 a month. SMS marketings, $99 a month. I used to use bulk SMS in South Africa. CRM systems, another one was ActiveCampaign. And remember, now add another $99 above that. Email marketing, MailChimp, HubSpot. Yeah, I think I pronounced it right. And then ActiveCampaign, etc. $29. It's actually more than $29 per month. But the starting one is $29 a month, and you are limited to the amount of emails you can send. The more your database grows, the more you charge. With us, you will see it's not. You pay basically, and it includes, you can send as many as you want to, okay, with terms and conditions. Courses and membership sites, the most one now is School, for example, and Kajabi's and all those platforms, and Teachable, $199 a month. Then you get call tracking and analytics, task management. Think about Monday.com, another $29. Then reputation managed, $29.99. Live support. You think about it, if you wanted support of paying someone to be there 24/7, not send an email and then 24 hours later you get a reply and then you still don't know how to fix it. If you want live support, if you count all of this up, and I had to run my business, right? That software will cost me upwards of almost $40K or $2,000 for a startup business. Sometimes that is too much, right? That just doesn't make sense to pay that much. And so what happened in my business when I had these multiple, some months I would pause the one and then I would keep the other one, and then like, okay, I need to pause this one because I need to send emails again. So I activate sending emails for 3 months. I send emails, and then, okay, I've sent enough emails. I pause that. I go to another system. It just became crazy until I found the BSC system. Now, who we champion and who we were looking for, and what we want you to think about, the type of businesses that you will fast get money by introducing us, is business that are starting up, that they're just opening up. So any startup is our potential client. Professional speakers, but also with professional speakers, you get coaches, business coaches, life coaches. You get your your spiritual side, your people that does healing on the side, the service industry, they love to give service. And any business that have been operating for a while, but they want to scale, but they can't afford hiring people, but they are looking for a system that can help them to give them more time to help them to grow their business. So now we have this opportunity for you to create the income and elevate by helping us to empower businesses to grow their business. Okay, how can you get more money and working with us? One is we want you to introduce us to friends and family, people that have businesses in your environment. If you can go just on your phone, I have about probably 20,000 numbers saved on here. You probably have 1,000 saved on there. A lot of them either have a business or have a business on the side, or know someone that is running a business, a startup, a business that's ready to grow even more, or someone that might be, you probably have heard, oh, what do you do? I'm a life coach, or I'm a business coach. Someone that's in a coaching industry or speaking in the industry that wants a platform that we can provide. One, you introduce these business owners to the platform. They subscribe to the software, pay a monthly subscription, and you will earn a monthly recurring commission. As long as they are paying, you will earn the money. So it all comes down to how many can you get signed up, right? Now, I'll give you an example of your potential income that you can achieve. As an affiliate, and this is for us as a startup, your subscription fee for every client you will refer is you will get a payout. Now, meaning you receive these amounts every month for as long as that client remains a subscriber. For the moment, we have 3 packages. Our entry package, we call the Ignite Starter. It's about 2,999. You receive 10% commission. It gives you 299.90. The Ignite, that's a little bit more expensive. You get 15% commission, monthly earnings of 839 Rand. And our Ignite Elite package is about 23% commission. That gives you a monthly earning of, if you sell just one, right, you will earn an extra 3K a month doing nothing. We do all the work. You just introduce us. We will do all the work. You don't have to do anything. You just have to check your bank account and see, oh, the money's coming in. Now just imagine 10 of those, you and 10 clients at Ignite Elite, you will earn 50K a month doing mahala, nothing. All that you did was introduce them to us. Let's give you another potential of how you can do it. Let's say you refer only 2 new clients on the Ignite do-it-yourself method or program called product 5599, and income will stack monthly. And remember, there's no reset. The only thing is, the moment the person signs up, they get a free trial. Once they start paying, 30 days after their first payment, you start earning money. So let's say you sign up 2 people on that package. You will start in month 1, can earn then 1,679.70. If you get another 2 the next month, it grows to 3,000. If you do another 2, 5K. If you do another 2, 6, 7. If you do another 2, 8K. If in 6 months you sign up 12 people, you will earn an extra 10K a month. Now remember, all that you've done is you've introduced them to the system. That's it. We go through the process. We make sure that they signed up. We make sure that they use the system. We train. We look after them, right? Because why? We need them as well. So we both need them. You just need to introduce us. Remember, building a recurring income stream that grows with your efforts. The more effort you put in, the faster it grows. And remember, as long as they're paying every month, you will get an income. So basically, if you do, think about it, 1 hour a day. An hour a day, you can probably do, if you send them a WhatsApp and introduce them, let's say 5 minutes, an hour is 60 minutes, that's 30. You can easily send 30 people our way a day, and we sign them up for you, and suddenly, man, you can earn big money. Now, I'll give you an example. On the high one of 12,999 for faster growth with a 23% commission, right? 1 client is 3K. You get us to get 5 clients on board, then you suddenly earn 15K a month. Now, imagine you can get 10 clients on the high end. And remember, businesses have money. Startups that are busy scaling have the money to invest. So either they hire someone or they have a platform that does the work of more than 1 employee. So remember, you can build your portfolio, right? The more effort in you set, the faster it builds. Not just one-time sale, you build recurring income. This becomes passive income in the end of the day. If you decide after those 10 clients you stop working, you will get 30K. As long as that client pays, you will get 30. That becomes passive income. That is now passive incomes. So no limit on referrals. Your income potential is entirely up to you. Now think about it. Just 20 clients that can pay that, that's a 60K. You are already in the top 1% of South Africa if you are earning 60K a month. And remember, that comes to you. Your tax, your everything is up to you how you're going to manage that, right? So if you manage it as correctly as your own business, then you also can pay less tax. You just need to be smart about it. So you connect, our team will do the closing. We will handle the rest. We just want people to introduce us to people and help you to sign them up. Okay. What it is BSC does the following. We do the heavy lifting. You don't have to be tech experts. You just need to do the introduction for us. You need to tell them, yes, Kobus, Sasta, and Bruce, BSC Ignite, right? Here's the link, sign up, right? We will have the meeting, we will show them the system, and we will go through the sales process. Then we will provide onboarding. We will make sure that we get them on the system and they get them to use it. We will give them training. We will give marketing materials. We will give automation templates. And we will give client support 24/7. We have a 24/7 system to help and support them. When things break down, we are there. Affiliates focus only on connection and introduction. That's your job. So I want you to start thinking about, can you introduce this already to 10 people, or if not more, right? Who this is perfect for, again, a little bit more detail. If your business depends on leads, clients, and communication, then this platform is for them. From marketing agencies, think about someone that does social media marketing for other companies, right? They can use this system to do all of those companies' social media marketing on one platform, right? And run their ads. They can run their ads from the system. Life coaches, business coaches, consultants who wants lead grown client management. Then sales professionals who need pipeline tracking and automated follow-up. So people that does sales for a living. Entrepreneurs and small business owners looking for one system to run their whole business. Real estate agents and property professionals. Even, I say we didn't even add it, but, even people sort of like physios and, they can even, and doctors, etc. Service-based professionals like gyms, dentists, and consultants. Digital entrepreneurs building businesses, you can use this system. They can actually sign up to the system, their clients, and help their clients to use this system. Affiliate marketers who want to generate leads, companies wanting to replace multiple tools with one more platform. I love it. I hope you all have questions, or I'm answering all of your questions. Why partner with us? Because it's more than one software. It's a growth ecosystem, recurring commissions, high demand solution, global scalability, strong support systems. Remember, you don't have to only introduce people from South Africa. They can be anywhere in the world, and we will be able to help them to grow. This system will not only work in South Africa, but it works globally. And you are not selling the software, you are helping the business to grow. One thing that also is on this is they have access to all of us, right? Sasta's expertise, Bruce's expertise, and even Quibus, me, that is a business coach. We will make sure these businesses grow and that they be part of this process for as long as they pay. They will be part of this. Who does this not for? Is we are not looking for people and to partnership, because partnership is very important for me. Someone that constantly complain and instead of taking action. We don't want people that always makes excuse and always have problems. We don't want people that always expect quick money without any effort. We want to avoid communication that avoids communication accountability, that resists learning new systems or tools, that wait for others to create their success for them, that lacks professionalism or any commitment. Our culture is important, is built on ownership, growth, communication, and it wants results, that wants to create income on a monthly basis. The partners we are looking for, and I want you to see if you are this partner. Are you this partner, or are you this partner? If this, sorry, but if you're this partner, we want you. We're willing to build a network with driven growth partners. The right people for BSC Ignite agency is someone who wants to build a real income and grow with us. Go-getters. Are you a go-getter? Are you someone that takes initiative? Are you someone that has an entrepreneurial mind that wants to build income? Are you growth-minded? Are you constantly evolving and constantly learning and growing? Are you someone that's a relationship builder, that in relationship is important, that wants to network and business connections? People who communicate consistently. Don't just sit and wait for us. We want someone to, hi guys, when is your next webinar? When is your next video coming out? Do you have an open space? I have someone that wants to talk to you. Action-orientated people, partners. We want long-term thinkers, not for the short term. We want to build wealth for the long term. Professional who brings energy, integrity, and commitment. Our goal is to build a powerful ecosystem of partnerships and network who wants to build businesses, grow while creating financial freedom for themselves. So how do you get paid? One, you create a passive income on a monthly basis on the subscriptions of these businesses. The 30-day rule, earnings are paid out 30 days after the client's successful subscription payment is processed. You get an affiliate portal. Once onboarded, you will gain access to a private portal, allows you to track your leads, see who's paying, who's converted, because it allows you also to follow up why someone hasn't signed up, and monitor your upcoming payouts and see when the payment is coming, and then future growth. While Ignite package is our main focus today, there will be future opportunities to earn even more, selling specialized services not only from BSC, but also from Cobus Visser International multimedia offerings at BSC. The sky is not even the limit. We're going to the moon. Okay. Quickly, any questions? Is there any questions? Is there any questions? Let's see. Babo says, amazing product. I can't wait to bring 10 clients. I need to drop off. Thank you. Yes, Babo. Anyone else has questions? Let me know. Ready to get started? Then reach out to us. You can send us an email to info, or Sasta has put it on the group. You can WhatsApp the number 071-238-5936 or info@bscigniteagency.com. And if you have any questions, welcome to ask now. Put it on the chat box or put your hand up. There's a button at the bottom where you can put your hand up. But let me just stop sharing and see who else is in the group, if there's anyone that has questions. Okay. Sasta, Bruce, if there's anything I've missed that you would love us to add. Oh, there. Let me ask to unmute Diana. Yes, Diana.
Thank you, Cobus. I just want to know, because this is now completely, no, I'm saying completely, this is unfamiliar to me to go out and get the people to sign up with you. But I need the information to get to, just for myself, so I can say, yes, Cobus, this is a red car and it's got 4 wheels, and you know what, speak to Sasta, she's going to help you to buy this red car with the 4 wheels. Do you have any information like that that you'll be sharing with us so we can put it out to people?
Yeah, thank you for asking that question, Diana. Yes, look, you will get all marketing material. The thing is, there's going to be a portal. You're going to register. You will have a link, and there will be training either with me, Sasta, or Bruce about what that sales process for you. What will your process be of telling people about the system, and what can you share with them so that it's easier for them to sign up? Does that answer your question? Okay, cool.
It does, thank you.
Yeah, so you won't be left in the dark. You will get all the links that you can share. Plus, if you ever talk to someone and you hear that they are using, for example, a booking link like Calendly, and you say, hey, would you be interested if I introduce you to Cobus or Sasta or Bruce to just show you a demo of their platform, right? We will create landing pages for demos. So you will have the link. All that you will do is give them a link. They will go on. They will register. We will get the information. We will make sure we get the booking with the client. We will follow up. If we have any challenges in reaching the person, we will know on the system who introduced them. And we will say, Diana, we saw John signed up. We can't get hold of him. Will you help us to set up the meeting, etc., etc. So we will, and that's why communication is important on this journey with us, so that we can get the people on as fast as possible. Okay, Bruce, Sasta, is there anything you would love to add?
Yes, just to answer your question as well, Diana.
Sasta,
we will have sessions ready available for you. Like Cobus says, we have a community portal. So whomever from this webinar would like to join to be an affiliate, the next step will be taken with you. We have your email addresses and your phone numbers. If you agree, you just give us a thumbs up, pop us a message, or send us an email, and then we will take you through to the next level to make sure that you're always ready. And if you have any questions, our line is available Monday to Friday as well, but we're going to make sure that you don't go in there blind, that you are completely well-versed, maybe not on a complete technical level, but you understand the perks and the value of the system. Yeah, so you'll always be ready. Thanks for asking, Diana.
And I think that's what it's about. In the end of the day, is we can go and spend a lot of money on marketing, and we can get the clients and we can build it. Or we can give our friends and people that we know and people that wants to earn extra money, instead of us paying that money in marketing, you become basically our marketing team. The affiliate is our marketing team, right? And that's why we're willing to give commission, because then we all win at the end of the day. And you can create a passive income for you. We live out our dreams, our values, and our passion of building businesses and growing businesses. So in a sense, we are actually making an impact in this world together. And that's why we're doing this. This is our one today, and we would look forward for you to come with us on this journey. I see James says, I was also wondering about the info we use to hook the leads. So thanks. Yes, we will guide you. So today was just to see what the interest is. And we haven't marketed this. This was just invite to a few people that we know. As we're going, you will see this is going to become a weekly thing, not just on the affiliate side, but also doing demos for people that are interested in the software. So it will also be another way for you to say, hi, Cobus and them are having a demo webinar on Tuesday morning. Here's a link. Go see what it's about. And we will do it. We will get the recording. You will get the recording. And so you will have all the info to help us to get the people on, because guess what? The faster we can get you to just that 10 high ones, you can earn an extra 50K. And then think about it. Whatever your passion or dream is, if your passion is coffee, you can go make coffee for a living, right? So whatever is your passion, let us do this and help you to do this, and vice versa. Okay. If there's Bruce, you wanted to add anything, any last words?
Well, nothing much from our side other than to say, let's go make some money, good people, and have fun while doing it.
While doing it, yes. Thanks, Bruce. Any last words from you, Sasta?
That's it from me. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so Cobus, Yanita is saying, when is the next session? If you can just quickly respond to that before you log off.
Okay. Yeah, so when is the next session? So Sasta and them will send out all the information. I know there's another one coming up. I don't have the date with me, but you, Anita, if you're part of the community, you will see all the dates coming in, and we will send it to you. So I believe we would have your details. So just be on the lookout. We will send you all of the updates of the next sessions like this, and you will have the recording. So you're welcome also to share the recording in the meantime. Once the recording is uploaded, you can send the recording for them as well, so that they can see what the system is about. Okay. Thank you, Anita. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time on this beautiful Monday evening. May you have a wonderful week. Go out, go and be blessed, walk in strength, and yeah, what would be C? Sasta, you are a poet. I don't know. Build strength, C. I wanted to say shine, but C is not shine. So you can see my Afrikaans coming through.
It's courage, Cobus.
Courage.
Courage to make a difference.
Go have courage and make a difference. Thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful evening. Cheers.